This is a review of the 1x1 wireless doorbell system. So in the box you'll get a warranty card, instruction manual, receiver that takes 2 AA batteries which are not supplied, and then the doorbell with a battery that is supplied, and a double sided sticky for putting the doorbell to the wall. So and also a stand which you just slides onto the bottom of the receiver to allow it to stand up. Right, okay, so what I've found with 1x1 products is when you initially put in batteries into a wireless device, it starts a pairing mode. So if I put this in now, put the battery in, it's now paired, it's within range. I think it's something like 20 seconds to pair. So on this you have the receiver, you have chime only or LED only or both. There's a button for volume level, which cycles through 3 different types of volumes, and then a melody selector. So all in all, the actual door chime is quite nice. The melodies are quite nice as well, and works pretty well. Quite happy with that for just over £10 if you're looking at the doorbell system itself. However, as I mentioned, when you initially put in batteries, it does goes into pairing mode, which is about 20 odd seconds. I'm just trying to get this battery out, just bear with me. Sorry about that. So if you have other 1x1 products, now I have a garage alarm system by 1x1, which also goes into a pairing mode when you initially put batteries in. So these two are just from a 1x1 garage alarm system. So when I initially put in a battery, it goes into a pairing mode. If I did the same on this product for the doorbell and the doorbell, you can hear that's now, the sensor is now setting off the doorbell itself. Which is a problem if you are, let's see, the doorbell's gone off again. Which is a problem if you're planning to buy several 1x1 products, because as you can see, well, I was thinking the doorbell might actually set this receiver off, but it didn't. But there is an interference issue with several wireless 1x1 products. But if you're just looking at the doorbell itself, it is perfectly fine.